Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, episode 165. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today, we're tackling skill swap sessions. Turn short workshops into fast-build nomad community so you can build stronger relationships and community while living the nomad life. Imagine this. You're at a busy co-working space. You nod at the same faces every week. You share frustrated smiles about deadlines, but a month goes by and you still haven't had a proper conversation. That lonely routine, it's one of the quiet costs of freedom. Today, we promise a reliable social door, a 60-minute skill swap, short, focused, recurring, that turns those nods into actual friendships without asking anyone to sign a long-term commitment.
Here's what you'll walk away with. 3 micro routines you can use in any city. A weekly anchor habit to make meetups sticky, a 3-minute appearance cue to arrive energized and approachable, and a tight 3-question listening framework that deepens rapport fast. Plus, a 1-week plan and plug-and-play templates to run your first session. Simple, repeatable, and designed for nomads.
Quick rules. I'll focus on creating a feminine safe hosting vibe. Lighting, clear directions, approachable grooming, and hosting cues that help solo attendees feel welcome. Small daily habits create magnetic presence, and I'll show the exact arrival routine that signals openness without asking too much.
And I'll break down masculine confidence anchors, things you can do in 3 minutes to steady your energy and make it easy to approach people. Presence beats perfection. These anchors are repeatable and travel-friendly, so you don't have to reinvent yourself in every city. Strategy 1. Habit, the weekly anchor. Pick the same day and time each week and treat it like a standing appointment with your social life. Habit stacking works well. Attach the skill swap to something people already do in your location. The Sunday co-working brunch, Thursday language exchange, whatever has traffic. Use a single calendar invite, a short event description, and automated reminders 72 hours, 24 hours, and 2 hours before. Consistency reduces decision friction and normalizes attendance.
If turnout dips, which it will sometimes, normalize it. Rotate a co-host so someone always shows, keep your expectation moderate, and make follow-up personal. Message the people who RSVP'd but didn't come with a short note and an invitation to the next one. That simple follow-up converts acquaintances into next-time attendees and eventually accountability friends. Let's optimize you from the inside out. Strategy 2. Appearance. The 3-minute arrival routine. Step 1. Freshen and groom for 5 minutes before you walk in. Quick face wash or face wipe, taming hair, and a spritz of cologne or essential oil if you use it. Step 2. Posture cue. Stand tall, shoulders back. Take 2 grounding breaths before you enter the room. Step 3. Outfit signal. A consistent, travel-friendly accessory that invites questions, like a scarf, a hat, or a unique lapel pin. Small daily habits create magnetic presence, and this 3-minute routine makes you approachable without trying too hard.
My take on a 3-minute masculine cue. Quick grooming, comb or brush, clean shave or tidy beard, and a confident zip or button of your jacket. Then prime your energy. 2 power breaths, a small smile practice in the mirror so it feels natural. Pack travel-friendly grooming tools that fit in 1 pouch. A small comb, multi-purpose balm, deodorant wipe. Build the ritual. When you do this, you're signaling you value the meeting, and people pick up on that. Build the habit, become the man.
Strategy 3. Communication, a tight conversation framework. First, 3 listening prompts to use in any pairing. 1. What's something you worked on recently that surprised you? 2. What's one tiny habit that's helping your work right now? 3. If you could learn 1 skill in 5 minutes tonight, what would it be? Those prompts invite specifics, not small talk.
Also, 2 micro-teaching rules for the skill swap itself. Keep your demo to 5 minutes and always follow with a paired practice of 7 minutes. That combination creates quick value and shared experience, the fastest path to rapport.
All right, role play time. I walk up to you with my scarf cue and I say, Hey, I loved your quick tip on time tracking last week. What's one tweak you'd recommend someone who's always switching time zones? That's specific, appreciative, and invites a story. Then we follow with a listening prompt. What small habit helps you reset after travel?
I'd reply warm and curious. I actually use a 10-minute light and movement routine. Would you want a quick walkthrough now? Then lead the 5-minute demo and invite a paired practice. That transition feels natural because it's an offer of value, not a demand. Presence beats perfection. Offer something small and concrete.
Real nomad scenario. Mia, a freelance designer in Lisbon, posts a skill swap night in a popular co-working Facebook group. 2 people RSVP. 1 more joins spontaneously. Low turnout, but Mia designs a tight flow. 5-minute intro, 3 5-minute micro teaches, paired practice, and a 10-minute cafe-style reflection. She rotates co-host duties, follows up with attendees the next day, proposing a coffee check-in, and 2 months later she's got 2 accountability friends who share co-working days. The trick? Depth over numbers. 1 thoughtful conversion is better than 10 shallow interactions.
If you run into the risk of shallow sessions, design for depth. Always end with a reflection prompt like, what will you try this week? And collect 1 action each person commits to. Ask for a follow-up micro-accountability check. Low turnout is normal at first. Keep the ritual, rotate hosts, and treat each meeting as practice for your social life.
1 week action step. Do this next 7 days. Day 1, pick your weekday and venue and create a short public event with a clear agenda. Day 3, message potential co-hosts and schedule a 30-minute pre-session check. Day 5, announce a reminder post and set calendar invites with automated reminders. Day 7, show up with your 3-minute appearance cue, run the 60-minute flow, 5-minute intro, 3 5-minute teaches, paired practice, and a reflection. After the session, send a personal follow-up to attendees with 1 next step invite. Small actions, big shifts. If you want done-for-you templates, scripts, calendar prompts, and a day-by-day checklist, we built a focused mini-course called the 7-Day Nomad Skill Swap. It includes sample event descriptions, the conversation deck, safety and accessibility guidelines, and email/DM scripts to convert RSVPs into real attendance. Enroll if you want the fastest path from idea to reliable meetups.
Quick reminder from me. Presence before perfection. Show up with your cue, bring 1 useful thing to give, and be curious. Strong habits create strong connections. If you want the templates and a community challenge to run your first swap, check out the course.
That's our practical advice for today. Building strong connections is part of building a successful nomad life. Optimize yourself, connect deeper, live freer.